is 19,000 the bottom for Bitcoin? Is that our downside risk, our downside potential? Do we believe it'll go below 19,000? This piece of content and the particular indicator that they're looking at and analyzing suggests that 19,000 could be, in fact, the bottom. And then we're going to look at that and dig into this in this video. As always, I thank you for giving me a few minutes of your time. I know you have a choice in what content you watch, and so thank you. My goal is real simple: is to help you navigate crypto, make more money. So if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you would. I would appreciate it. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is a really interesting scenario. Okay, it really gets right here. How long before and I always pronounce this name wrong. I'm going to say Puel because I've asked people and I get different pronunciations. So I'm going to say Puel. Anyway, there you go. So how long before a Puel multiple rally? All right, so the Puel multiple has been an important indicator to illustrate Bitcoin bottoms in the past. Okay, listen to this. The rate of change for the indicator is currently optimized further, and now there are 3 of evident regions of a market cycle, and they are right here. If you look at them, you've got the red zone right here. The red zone indicates euphoric bull market tops. So you see these bull market tops, 12, like a little bit probably in the 13, 14, 1 in 18, and then you kind of see right here we haven't had one since really 18. Again, to use their term, euphoric bull market tops. Okay, a mid-cycle rally is characterized by center consolidation. Okay, so right here, center consolidation. You see this if you're looking at it over the the last 10 years, you can very clearly see the center consolidation. Okay, right in here. All right, now the green zones have marked the bottom for most bearish rallies. Okay, so in 2022, the Puel multiple has confirmed a bearish market, and gradually the price might start to build from this current position. And it's showing, like, look, if you look at kind of the historical how the chart has ran, where my mouse is going, you could see that it is at the bottom, right, of a cycle and could start to begin the signal the turn back, which would make sense, guys. Okay, so all the indicators is that if 19,000 is the bottom, or let's say it's 15,000, whatever that number may in fact end up being, we all kind of readily agree that the bottom is in the teens. Let's call it that. All right, now beyond that, we all readily agree that it's going to bounce back up off of that. Now, every single TA person, technical analysis person, would tell you the same thing. They would all go, yep. It's just a matter of how quickly it will happen. And you can see now that you're looking at annualized charts, you can see like right here in 2019 how it started to move up. And it took it probably the better part of half of a year, 6 months to do that. That would make sense because here's the thing. So if we're hitting the bottom right here now in June going into July, that means that we should start to be coming out of it in July, August, starting to hit our stride in Q3 and Q4 and going up from there, okay, which is again at that 6, 7, 8 month time period, okay? So what do you think? This is a really interesting scenario that this multiple is showing it, and this is a very good graphical presentation or representation, if you will, of hey, this is historically what it's done. Do we believe that it'll do the same? And again, we all kind of readily agree that we're in the teens for Bitcoin as the bottom. Now, let's wrap this up in this capacity. Even if you don't own Bitcoin, you should care about it because Bitcoin drives the overall market conditions. It is the largest market capitalization crypto there is, okay? And so it drives everything, Bitcoin and Ethereum. So yeah, this is interesting to keep an eye on because it does impact any and all coins and tokens that we all own. So that's what I got for you. Thank you for supporting myself, my channel, my videos. I greatly appreciate you. Take care.